The rig that we chose, drum roll please. The Grand Design. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. The Grand Design Solitude 390 RK, which stands for rear kitchen. Yay, cue applause! There are several reasons why we chose that rig. A lot of the things that we were looking for checked off our list.
They had a great kitchen. I mean, it's a rear kitchen and it overlooks down into the living room. And part of the kitchen where the separation is between the kitchen and the living room is this really nice buffet area with chairs so that you can cook your food, put them right there in the buffet, pull up, eat, and it faces right down into the living room and toward the television, which is cool. But it also has a residential size refrigerator. The layout of the kitchen is very nice and well thought out. You can tell that somebody knew what they were doing. Sometimes you look at the kitchens in some of these rigs and just kind of scratch your head like, okay, I got nothing. Plus, they have an option that we could swap out one of the sofas for a desk, so we ordered that. Bathroom is great, it's very well sized.
Beautiful. We'll each have our own sink and our own medicine cabinet.
Dual sinks, rain shower. Bedroom is a really nice size. It's got a walk-in closet. Washer and dryer is going to be in there. And then with the kitchen being in the rear, it's elevated. And if you go outside and underneath, they actually have a huge amount of basement space there with a MORride slide out that'll hold
tray. Storage trays.
It holds like 700 pounds.
Yes, our plan is that's where all of our stuff to set up for shows is going to go.
Right, yeah, and there's a lot of cool amenities that come with the rig, like just little things that you may overlook. Like it has a whole house vacuum.
You sweep stuff towards it and it sucks it underneath the steps.
Yeah.
It gets rid of it for you.
It has a beefed up suspension from MORride.
Which we wanted that. That was on our list.
Yeah.
So it's cool it already comes with that.
We ordered the 8K axles instead of the standard 7 so that we'd be able to haul an additional 1,200 pounds of stuff. AKA inventory, AKA rocks.
Rocks, cameras.
Whatever, yeah.
Books. Yeah, the front storage there, I talked to the tech and he said this is totally doable. We could put the litter robot down in the front storage and a little ramp so the kitties can get up and down, and it's easier for me to clean because it's outside, and that allows us to not take up a lot of valuable space inside.
Right. Plus, we got the generator with it.
Yep.
We got a full solar package, and we got one of their full custom paint packages.
Oh my word, the paint.
Yeah, we went with Pearl.
We heard from a few people that the custom paint is worth it because it makes the rig keep its value better. It keeps it cleaner. It's easier to clean when it does get dirty. It doesn't fade, so it'll look pretty much brand new. It just holds the value of the rig better. So should we ever want to trade it in for something else, we'll have a higher value when we do that. So that is the rig that we chose and why we chose it. And we look forward to receiving it. Of course, we'll do a full-on reveal once we pick it up. Until then, watch for more videos on our downsizing process, our getting rid of all the things process, and some other fun things we have up our sleeve. See you in the next one. 390.